The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to a new video. XRP video right now, 9.65% up, mooning hard, going above the resistance. You can see here the 10 and 20 moving average getting above them, hitting the resistance, which is fine because you cannot get through all the resistance at the same time. But we are managed to get above the 10 and 20 moving average. I just heard some news about a sec. I don't know if something is happening there and that's why it's pumping. So if you know something about it, inform me down in the comments. I want to know. But I know that something's happening when this is up 9% and everything else is bleeding, you know. Something must be up. So basically it was in this big triangle. We're gonna talk about it. It's above some kind of resistance. We're gonna talk about it. This target down here, we're not gonna talk about that much. This is here, we're gonna mention this, and then we might look at some kind of you know, targets on the upside. So that's basically what we're gonna do on the XRP video today. But before we start, as always, we got something called daily altcoins video, where we do altcoins, rank them up real nice, 30 altcoins every single day. Of course we got to do that, so you know, because we gotta know what's happening, you know. So you got, if you need some kind of help picking up coins, you know, you might want to check the Patreon link down below. That said, check out also the Telegram link, because we are trying to hit 4,000 members on the Telegram. So, you know, help us pump the numbers. That said, let's get in the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger as always, and see what's happening with this beauty of XRP. Nice. When did this actually start pumping? 4 hours ago, 1 hour ago, like 30 minutes ago. 1.5 hours ago it started pumping. So something happened 1.5 hours ago and it went crazy. This is this, how much is this move? Entire move is actually 14%. The move today is up 10%, but the move is 14% up. Nice, very nice guys, very nice. So congratulations everybody holding XRP, because this looks like it's still continuing the move. You know, to be on the sure side, we have to break the triangle. This big triangle has to be broken. This is a big triangle. This is a consolidation triangle. It went up, down, tried to break it up, nope, went down to the support, and then right now it's trying to break on the upside. So we are not quite there yet, because we have to break the triangle, but we are doing very nicely. So a couple of days ago we went all the way down to the support, and for the last 3 days we have had just green candles, green, very nice, very nice. So we got support here down on the 50 moving average, that's the yellow line up here, and we were also thinking, like, if it breaks on the downside, we have to be looking at this 1.03 line. Now I'm gonna do this with this line, because, you know, not looking at that anymore. This looks like it might actually pump further. Now we are extended from the small moving averages, I think. Yeah, we are extended from 10 and 20. Let me clear this up a little bit. The white and the red one, they are all the way down here. So we are extending on 4 hourly from the moving averages. So I'm thinking now that we have hit the resistance up, I don't think we're gonna go that much more up right now. What's gonna happen, what I think is gonna happen, is we're gonna stay here in this area, maybe until tomorrow or something like that. Just go kind of sideways, and tomorrow pump above the resistance. If this is so bullish as people are saying it is, then we might actually pump above the resistance up here. Of course that depends, but it looks very good, you know. And these triangles, these are continuation in chart analysis. This is a continuation pattern that we are right now in, and right now, if it's continuation pattern, we should break on the upside. So we should see. Also the target is very easy to figure out from this this pattern, because, you know, patterns have their own way of targeting things, and it should be something, if we break up here, it should be something around 2.6 or something like that. I know, crazy numbers, but this is only the first target, this is only pattern target. I'm not saying that we are not going to go higher or anything like that. But the pattern target is always the first target you are looking at. When you are looking at chart analysis, you got some kind of pattern, you are looking at the pattern target first, and then when it comes there, then you are starting looking at the other targets above that. But the first target is 267 out of here. Maybe if we do it tomorrow, it's going to be a little less. Yeah, it depends on how well I'm charting, but yeah, something like that, 267, give or take. Around 2.5, you should try considering that that might actually be the top for the pattern. Whether it's going to continue or not, it kind of depends. Right now we are sitting at some kind of very low levels down here at 54 on the RSI, which is very good, and on the weekly time frame are sitting only at 70. So this has big chance to actually continue to move up right now. Whether it's going to do that or not, it depends. There is some kind of small divergence here, but I'm thinking that might actually correct. Let's clear this up and show you. So the divergence goes from here up there, right? And the divergence down on the weekly is down here, but this is very easily corrected. If this move continues, if this good move continues upwards, then this will correct the divergence and it will continue pumping up. So it looks very nice, it looks very good. Let's see on the daily chart, is there something else up here? Let's get back to our lines. And right now we'll go all the way down to the 1 hourly chart. Now I don't recommend anybody to go down to the 1 hourly chart, because 1 hourly chart are like small time frames and stuff like that. But you also can see that on a small time frames, on 1 hourly, we are extended from the moving averages. So some kind of a stop will happen here before the moving averages, before the price can actually break the resistance. Price cannot break the resistance by itself. It always is getting pushed by the moving averages. Either that's on 1 hourly, 2 or 4 hourly chart, daily chart, whatever chart. Let's look at a 5-minute chart. You can see on the 5-minute we are actually bouncing. So the 5-minute chart might actually push us up if it has enough power, but we are quite extended on the other charts. This is a 30-minute chart, even 30-minute chart we are extended from the 30-minute chart where the price is and where the moving averages is. But if this has as much bullishness as it has right now, from what I'm seeing, this might actually just break it right now. I mean, we could just stop over here and watch the chart for next 5 minutes and I'll look at a break. Like, that would be the best finishing on the video. Either way, I'm super bullish on XRP right now because it's something is happening. It's pumping. It's looking good. It's going towards the resistance at the triangle. But you have to be sure. It's only when we break the resistance and close above the resistance then that the move is confirmed, because right now if it starts getting rejected and starts falling down, something else happens, it can go on the other side. You have to break the resistance, come on the other side, and then you have confirmed the breakout of this triangle. And once the breakout is complete, then you will see all of these traders that are trading up here FOMOing into the run and continuing going upwards. So looks good. We are excited to see what's happening tomorrow, so do subscribe to the channel and check what's happening tomorrow, and check the Patreon and Telegram link because we are trying to hit 4,000 members. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I really do. Enjoy. Bye bye.